What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. Today we're taking a look at just what you guys want from the channel. So comment down below on what you guys like to see. Now when I say that is, do you want more NSX content? Do you want more Tesla content? Android head units, install videos, applications? I know I did get a request on installing Z-Links, so stay tuned to that. I'll have links and stuff like that, but stay tuned for that. But while I do that too, I just want to know the state of the channel. What do you guys want from the channel? I have a iDoing head unit right here that I'm gonna we're doing an unboxing, and I'm just gonna do a little unboxing and show you guys that product and link it down below. I also have Pormito, which it's a dash cam mirror that you put pretty much where your rear view mirror is. So I'll link that down below too if you guys were interested in that. But the main thing is, what do you guys want to see in the channel, and comment and I'll try to make a video on that. Oh yeah, we also have, if you guys have a Honda Accord, different cars. I think this Honda Accord is for like 2012, 2015. If you have one of those, I'm making a video. Don't quote me on that year. I just kind of, it's one of the not the newest ones, not the older ones, but like that generation before that one. And that one has a QLED panel. So QLED, if you guys don't know, it's basically an LCD technology that makes the colors more bright, more vibrant, more punchier in a nutshell. So stay tuned to that, that's gonna be awesome. Let's do, ooh, look at all these cup noodles. I just have some decorations, you know, got some Pokemon cards. Oh, I got, you know, this deck of Pikachu right here, but let's take a look at the iDoing head unit. This is a universal 7-inch. Come on. I'm gonna be one-handing this video a lot, so forgive me. So I was gonna put this one to the NSX, but I would have to cut the dash because there's a volume knob, unfortunately. It's part of the dash. I'll show you this one. So you see right there how it's like flat. And yeah, the knob basically hits where that power button is, and I just couldn't do it. That piece alone is like $1,000, so I didn't want to cut it up just so, because you see how the knob kind of sticks. It barely like hits, but yeah. But that's because I have like a trick system for the NSX. But taking a look at the unit itself. Nice metal chassis. The buttons are matte. Buttons are a little soft, a little mushy. Then you have a little SD card for GPS data and an extra slot right there. So 2 micro SDs, which is nice. Of course, I have a little screen protector on it right now. Don't want to remove that. But yeah, super nice iDoing head unit. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, cracked my back. But yeah, so fortunately I'm not able to install that. It even comes with a little frame so you can get nice and flush. Microphones, brackets with like washers, a ISO harness, 2 USBs, GPS. This is subwoofers, RCA jacks, aux in, video in. Sometimes these also carry the backup camera, but not in this case. In this case, it's already tied to the ISO harness right here. You got the backup camera. If you guys can see that, I don't know if it's getting in focus. More USBs they give you, and more backup camera stuff. So that's awesome. In iDoing, they always give you a really nice like a plastic pinhole remover. A little nice bonus so you don't scratch your interior. And then we have the user manual. It's in color. It's in nice color. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the iDoing 7-inch universal double din. If you guys were interested, I'll put a link down below. I can't install this in my NSX. I can turn it on, I can have it wired up, but it just does not fit, unfortunately. So sorry about that. But yeah, don't forget to comment and let me know what you want to see, and I'll do the best I can to make that content. In the meantime, just do that, and then I'll get you stuff on the newer head units that are coming out this year, which will have QLED, higher resolution, and I think a better Bluetooth chip. So speaking of that Bluetooth chip, some people are asking about how basically sometimes their wireless Android Auto doesn't work. It really depends on your Bluetooth chip. So the older ones might not work. Something about Qualcomm, I might have to do more research on that. But just to let you guys know, sometimes you guys can't get that wireless Android Auto. Apple CarPlay, you don't have to worry about that, which is, you know, you guys with the Apple iPhones are in luck. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Tune in next time, and don't forget to mash that like button. See ya.